Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get hacks on Subway Surfers using Cheat Engine and BlueStacks. Link in the description down below. Both of them. So when you've downloaded BlueStacks, link in the description down below, you just want to hit Google Play Store with your left trigger button, whatever it's called. And once you've hit the Google Play, I won't open it. It should it should look something like this. So if you see Subway Surfers, you just want to search up Subway Surfers, and there you have it. You want to download it, but I've already got it downloaded, so I'm just gonna hit play. Once you've loaded in completely, all you want to do is open Cheat Engine. You want to go to this computer little thing. You want to go to your processes. Go to HD player, EXE as this icon. You want to hit no, don't worry about that. And I want to. How much do I have? 10,036. Okay. So you want to go here, and you're going to go 10,036. Hold on, no. I did that wrong. 10. Yes, that's right. Don't do like the comma, and then hit first scan. And then we're going to go to the shop. Let's get... no, not that. Let's just get... Come on, I need some stuff here. Let's just get this. And then you want, buy anything, really, if you can, or earn money. And then go to the new cost of your things, which is 3,036. That's mine. And you want to hit next scan, not new scan, next scan. Click once, Control A, and then you can select all of them. Drag it down, hit Control A again, right click, change record, value, and let's say we want this much. I don't even know how much that is. But you want to earn some more, so we're going to quickly earn some coins. Right, we earned some coins. And there we are. We have 10 million coins in Subway Surfers, just to prove to you. So what you want to go? Let's say we want Prince. Prince, come here. No, no. No, come. No! Come here, Prince. Let's just get... Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I can literally not. Oh my god, I just had it. There we are. There we are. We just got it. So, yeah. That's pretty much how you get coins. But if you want keys, I'm going to show you how to do that. But I'm going to buy a new board. And I would like the Sharky one, looks cool. How much upgrades do I need? Let's get all of this. Come on then. More. Right, so I've got all my things, my characters ready. And this does work. So yeah. This does work. So right now, if you want keys as well, you're gonna hit new scan and delete this. How much keys do we have? We have 7. First scan. We don't want to collect any of them. Right? How are we gonna get more keys? How do we get a key? Open box. Please be a key. No! No keys. We might be able to get a key from here. No key. It doesn't matter. So now we're gonna go to... Oh yeah, I've got it. Just as normal. We're gonna... No, I didn't want to do that. Just please kill me. Done. Oh no. How do I... I want to respawn. No ad. I don't want an ad. God. This is annoying. Because I don't... I should have just let the keys stay there. What are we going to do with the keys? Let me think. Guys. If you like this video, like and subscribe. I'm not asking for much, it's completely free. I don't want to download that, I'm sorry. If we just... And literally, I'm flying like crazy right now. Oh, I died. You know what? It's fine. Let's just playing you high score. Right. Let's just go. Let's just do this next scan. Let's get all of them. Actually, no, we can't get all of them. There we are. Right. So now just just go ahead, go to token box, 6 coins. And then you want to go, this only works on PC by the way. And then you want to go 1. Let's scan. Found 34. Click, control A. Drag all of them down. Click, control A. Right click, change record, value. And we want, this much keys. So, then you want to go to here. We want to get more keys. Wait, did that work? I don't know if it worked. Hold on. Daily gift. Please be okay. Okay, that's fine. We'll just have to find... more ways to... get keys. You know what? Let's just restart the key one. Delete all of this. We don't want this. Yes. Alright, so we've got 3 keys. First scan. Cool. I think it's because I did a next scan as the same number. We want to watch an ad. Yes, we want to watch an ad. I don't want to check his speed. I'm fine. I'm fine actually. I don't want to check his speed. Honestly, ads be like literally, if I click this, it will make me buy it. Watch this. Oh no, it doesn't actually. Scan it. Scan. What is this actually? Scan. 36. Pull over. That's what I thought, bro. Let's. Nah, yeah, you can go. Live a happy life, bro. Right, 3 keys. Here we are. You wanna go next? 6. Next scan. Copy all of them. Change record. Value. Let's go. This. Let's go. Ah, my game's glitched. Yep, that sometimes happens. But anyway, that's how you get, but if you just load back in, you will get the keys. And that's how you get hacks on